If you're looking for a mid-budget smartphone with outstanding camera quality, that can even rival an iPhone, then you must check out this new smartphone from Nokia. According to leaks, Nokia is packing this powerhouse device with a 150-megapixel DSLR level camera, and a massive 7300 mAh battery. Yes, you heard that right, we're talking about the Nokia X50 Ultra 5G. In today's video, we'll dive into the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this incredible smartphone. So let's start. Features of Nokia X50 Ultra 5G. Display. This beast comes with a stunning 6.77-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with a 120Hz refresh rate, for ultra-smooth scrolling and gaming. Plus, it's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 6, and is expected to have an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. And of course, it has an in-display fingerprint sensor for quick unlocking. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the camera, because this is where the Nokia X50 Ultra truly shines. It features a triple camera setup, headlined by a massive 150-megapixel primary sensor. Yes, you heard that right, alongside it, you get a 32-megapixel, and a 5-megapixel macro sensor. And for selfie lovers, a 50-megapixel front camera, that's ready to make your social media pop. Performance. Under the hood, this phone is powered by the flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, ensuring blazing fast performance for gaming, multitasking, and more. And for software, it runs on the latest Android 16 OS, giving you the smoothest and most up-to-date experience. Battery. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The Nokia X50 Ultra packs a huge 7300 mAh battery. Yes, you heard that right, 7300 mAh. And when you do need to recharge, it supports 100-watt super fast charging, so you're back to 100% in no time. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? The expected price is around $550, making it a killer deal for the specs it offers. As for the launch date, there's no official confirmation yet, but stay tuned, we'll update you as soon as we know more.